In this video we are going to show you how to remove the DVD player for the entertainment. This is the Acura 2006, which is similar with the other year. The tools that you need is just the dashboard removal tool, this blue tool, plus this just a Phillips screwdriver. The removal is very simple. The first thing you do, you just pop the bezel around the transmission shifter, and then you pop the wooden bezel for the center console, which you put the shifter in the neutral to take it off, and then you disconnect these two connectors for the switches. And the next thing, you just remove the cover around the DVD player, just pull it out, and once you get those out, you can remove the mounting screws. It's just the Phillips screws, yeah, on the bottom and the top. Once you get those screws out, and then you can remove the DVD player. Here you go. And if you need any repair with this DVD player, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.